Did you know less than 1% of YouTubers make enough money from their videos to live comfortably? Shocking, right? Despite the glamorous image often portrayed, the reality is far more challenging. Many creators struggle to make ends meet even after years of hard work and dedication. YouTube seems full of people making a living from funny cat videos and makeup tutorials. These viral sensations make it look easy, but behind the scenes, it's a different story. But the truth is, earning real money on YouTube is tough. Many creators face disappointment when they see their earnings. Lots of people start YouTube channels dreaming of quitting their jobs and becoming internet famous. They envision a life of freedom and creativity. They think it's as simple as uploading a few videos and watching the money roll in. The initial excitement can be misleading, but that's rarely the case. Most YouTubers face a harsh reality check when their videos don't perform as expected. YouTube monetization, the way creators earn money from their videos, is a complex beast. It involves ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and more. It takes a lot more than just uploading great content to make it big. Consistent effort, strategic planning, and a bit of luck are all crucial elements in the journey to YouTube success. One of the biggest misconceptions about YouTube monetization is that it's easy money. Just upload some videos, get millions of views, and bam, you're rich. If only it were that simple. The reality is that YouTube monetization is a grind. It's not just about creating content, it's about creating content that resonates with your audience. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and even a bit of luck to succeed. You need to constantly come up with fresh ideas and stay ahead of trends. You need to create high-quality content that people actually want to watch, which often means investing in good equipment and learning new skills. And you need to promote your channel effectively to reach a wider audience. This involves engaging with your followers and being active on social media platforms. Even when you start earning money, it's not always consistent. Your income can fluctuate based on a variety of factors, including viewer engagement and ad revenue. YouTube's algorithms are constantly changing, which can impact how many people see your videos and how much money you make. Staying updated with these changes is crucial for long-term success. Another common myth is that you need millions of subscribers to make money on YouTube. While having a large audience certainly helps, it's not the only factor to consider. There are plenty of smaller creators with engaged audiences who are making a decent income from their channels. It's more about the connection you have with your viewers and your ability to monetize your content effectively. This can involve diversifying your income streams beyond just ads. Some creators focus on building a loyal community through memberships and fan funding. Others partner with brands for sponsorships or sell their own merchandise to their fans. What many people don't realize is the emotional toll that YouTube monetization can take on creators. It's not just about making videos, it's about constantly staying relevant in a fast-paced digital world. The pressure to constantly create engaging content, to come up with fresh ideas, and to maintain a consistent upload schedule can be overwhelming. The fear of algorithm changes impacting their income, and the uncertainty of how their content will be received, adds to the stress. The negativity that can come with being in the public eye can be incredibly stressful. Negative comments and online trolls can take a significant emotional toll. Many YouTubers struggle with burnout and anxiety. The constant need to produce content can lead to mental and physical exhaustion. The constant hustle to stay relevant and keep the money coming in can be exhausting. Late nights and early mornings become the norm. It's important to remember that behind every successful YouTube channel is a real person putting in a lot of hard work and facing their own unique challenges. They are not just content machines. So next time you're enjoying your favorite YouTube video, take a moment to appreciate the effort that goes into creating it. Behind every video is a story of dedication, creativity, and resilience.